In our increasingly digital world, technology has become both a blessing and a curse. It has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate, offering unprecedented convenience and connectivity. However, this digital revolution also opens doors to new forms of deception and fraud. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics to exploit unsuspecting individuals. One such threat, lurking in the shadows of the digital landscape, is the tech support scam. These scams are designed to trick people into believing their devices are compromised. These scams, often sophisticated and convincing, prey on unsuspecting individuals, causing not only financial losses, but also significant emotional distress. Victims are often left feeling violated and vulnerable. This essay delves into the murky world of tech support scams, aiming to equip readers with the knowledge and tools to identify, avoid, and combat this growing menace. We will provide insights into how these scams operate. We will explore the mechanics of these scams, understand the psychological tactics employed by scammers, and outline clear steps for protection and recovery. Knowing how to recognize the signs is crucial. By understanding the nature of the threat, we can empower ourselves and others to navigate the digital world with confidence and security. Together, we can build a safer online environment for everyone. Tech support scams are characterized by their deceptive simplicity. They often begin with an unsolicited phone call, email, or pop-up message, creating a sense of urgency and alarm. Scammers, posing as representatives from reputable tech companies, exploit the trust we place in familiar names and logos. The scammer's objective is to convince the victim that their computer is infected with a virus, experiencing a critical error, or facing another fabricated technical issue. These claims are often supported by fabricated evidence, such as error messages or suspicious-looking system scans, designed to intimidate and confuse the victim. Once the victim is sufficiently alarmed, the scammer offers their expert assistance to resolve the fictitious problem. This is where the trap is sprung. Tech support scams thrive on a potent cocktail of psychological manipulation. They exploit our inherent trust in authority figures, particularly those claiming technical expertise. The use of fear, urgency, and confusion further amplifies the victim's vulnerability, clouding judgment and increasing susceptibility to manipulation. Many victims are older adults, or those less familiar with technology, making them prime targets for scammers who prey on their lack of technical knowledge. However, it's crucial to understand that anyone can fall victim to these scams, as they are designed to exploit universal human emotions and vulnerabilities. The effectiveness of these scams lies in their ability to short-circuit rational thinking, leading victims to make hasty decisions they might later regret. Tech support scams share similarities with other prevalent fraud schemes, such as phishing attacks and IRS scams. All three rely on social engineering techniques to deceive victims and extract sensitive information or money. Phishing attacks, like tech support scams, often impersonate legitimate organizations via email or text messages, aiming to trick victims into revealing personal data like passwords or credit card details. IRS scams, on the other hand, use intimidation tactics, threatening legal action or arrest unless the victim pays a fabricated tax debt. While the methods may differ, the underlying principle remains the same: to exploit trust, vulnerability, and lack of awareness for illicit gain. Recognizing these common threads is crucial for developing a comprehensive defense against all forms of scams. Section 5. Red flags and warning signs, recognizing the danger. In this section, we will delve into the various indicators that can help you identify potential tech support scams before they cause any harm. The key to avoiding tech support scams lies in vigilance and a healthy dose of skepticism. Always question unexpected interactions and be cautious of unsolicited offers. By familiarizing ourselves with common red flags, we can develop a keen eye for spotting potential threats. This knowledge empowers us to act swiftly and avoid falling victim to scams. One of the most glaring red flags is unsolicited contact. Whether it's a phone call, email, or message, if you didn't initiate an interaction, be on high alert. Legitimate tech companies rarely, if ever, make unsolicited phone calls or send unsolicited emails offering tech support. They usually wait for you to contact them first. Be wary of any unexpected pop-up messages claiming system errors or urging you to call a toll-free number. These are often scare tactics designed to make you act impulsively. Other warning signs include pressure tactics, such as demanding immediate action or payment. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to cloud your judgment. Requests for remote access to your computer are another major red flag. Never grant access to someone you don't know or trust, and be extremely cautious of requests for unusual payment methods like gift cards or wire transfers. These are often used because they're hard to trace and recover. Remember, if something feels off, it probably is. Trust your instincts. Your intuition is a powerful tool in recognizing and avoiding scams. Stay informed and stay safe. Section 6. Immediate action, steps to take when faced with a scam. If you suspect you're being targeted by a tech support scam, it's crucial to act swiftly and decisively to minimize potential damage. First and foremost, do not engage with the scammer. Hang up the phone, close the pop-up message, or delete the suspicious email. Do not click on any links, download any files, or provide any personal information. Next, disconnect your computer from the internet to prevent further unauthorized access. If you've already granted remote access, immediately shut down your computer and seek professional help to scan for malware and secure your system. Section 7. Reporting the scam, empowering yourself, and protecting others. Reporting tech support scams is crucial not only for seeking potential recourse, but also for contributing to a safer digital environment for everyone. In the United States, you can report tech support scams to the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, through their website or by calling their toll-free number. You should also report the scam to your state's Attorney General's office. By reporting these scams, you provide valuable information to authorities working to combat cybercrime and hold perpetrators accountable. Your actions can help prevent others from falling victim to these insidious schemes. Section 8. Recovery and prevention, safeguarding your digital life. Recovering from a tech support scam, both financially and emotionally, can be a challenging process. The stress and anxiety that come with realizing you've been scammed can be overwhelming. However, there are steps you can take to mitigate the damage and protect yourself from future scams. It's important to act quickly and methodically to minimize the impact. If you've suffered financial losses, contact your bank or credit card company immediately to report the fraudulent activity and explore options for recovering your funds. They can guide you through the process and may be able to reverse some of the charges. You should also consider placing a fraud alert on your credit report to prevent further unauthorized activity. This alert will notify creditors to take extra steps to verify your identity before opening new accounts. To prevent future scams, it's essential to adopt a proactive approach to cybersecurity. This means being vigilant and taking steps to secure your digital life. This includes keeping your operating system and software up to date, as updates often include important security patches that protect against new threats. Using strong and unique passwords for each of your accounts, and considering the use of a password manager to keep track of them. Being cautious about clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources, as these can often be phishing attempts designed to steal your information. And educating yourself about common scam tactics. Knowledge is power, and understanding how scams work can help you avoid falling victim to them in the future. Section 9. A collective defense, the power of awareness and education. Combating tech support scams is not solely the responsibility of individuals. It requires a collective effort involving individuals, communities, and law enforcement agencies. Spreading awareness about these scams, particularly among vulnerable populations, is paramount. Educating ourselves and others about the tactics employed by scammers, the red flags to watch out for, and the steps to take for protection and reporting is crucial for building a more resilient digital society. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can empower one another to navigate the digital world with greater confidence and security. Section 10. Conclusion towards a safer digital future. Tech support scams, while pervasive and increasingly sophisticated, are not insurmountable obstacles. By understanding the mechanics of these scams, recognizing the red flags, and adopting a proactive approach to cybersecurity, we can significantly reduce our risk of falling victim to these insidious schemes. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, so too will the importance of digital literacy and awareness. By fostering a culture of vigilance, education, and collective action, we can strive towards a safer and more secure digital future for ourselves and generations to come. Remember, knowledge is power, and by empowering ourselves with the right information, we can outsmart even the most cunning of scammers.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. You could have been watching cute kitten videos. Click the link tree in the description to buy my books. Click the link tree in the description to buy my merch. Click the link tree in the description to buy me a cup of coffee. Be sure to click the like, be sure to click the share, to be alerted when a new video comes out. Be sure to ring that bell to subscribe. Link tree in the description to buy my books. Click the link tree in the description to buy my merch. Click the link tree in the description to buy me a cup of coffee. Share to be alerted when a new video comes out. Sure to ring that bell to subscribe.